If you want a rock cake with a soft, fluffy middle, please keep watching. First of all, you will need flour, margarine, sugar, get some eggs, baking powder, mixed fruit, and milk. Full measurements will be given in the video with the method. Please keep watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Make sure your hands are clean since we are going to be using the rub-in method. Make sure your fingertips are also really clean, and let's get busy. Firstly, I'm going to pour 4 cups of sifted flour into the bowl. It's soft flour. Adding in half cup of margarine. Now the rub-in method. First of all, try and mix the margarine with the flour with your fingertips. Make sure you mix it well. Please do not put pressure on your fingertips. Just let it pass through your fingertips smoothly. Keep mixing. Now the second part is we are going to rub it in our palms. We are now going to rub it in our palms. Do not put any pressure on it. Just rub it lightly. This part of the video wasn't forwarded because I wanted to show you how to do the rub-in method and do it well. Take your time to rub it in. Make sure the margarine and the flour is evenly distributed. And now I can fast forward. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Now that the rub-in method is completed, I'm adding a half a tablespoon of butter flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. You can use nutmeg, you can use cinnamon, anything at all. And I'm adding in a half cup of sugar right now. Mix it all together. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Break your eggs and beat it with a fork. Make sure you beat it well. add in half a cup of mixed fruits. You can add in 1 cup, 3/4 cup, just how much you feel like. A half cup of milk, and then our beaten 2 eggs. Mix it all together. Okay, now this part is tricky. You feel tempted to add in a little more liquid because you think it is thick or something, but it's really not. This is the texture we are going for. So just take your time, mix it all together. You can also use your fingers if using the wooden spoon is too hard for you. Now this is our complete dough. Okay, now picking up my old busted cupcake tin, I first made sure I greased the tin with margarine. Okay, that's margarine you're seeing in there, so that when you're done baking, you are able to remove it. Put whichever amount you want in each tin. I got about 10 cupcakes. Sorry, I got about 10 rock cakes, not cupcakes. Now it's time for it to go into the oven. I kept it in my oven, which was around like 200 degrees, for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Every oven is different, so make sure you just don't burn it, and when it's cooked, you know it's cooked. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and bye.